Here's some Seafarers of Scandinavia trivia. Subscribe. Who was the first person to circumnavigate the globe? Is it A. Vasco da Gama, B. Marco Polo, C. Christopher Columbus, or D. Ferdinand Magellan? The correct answer is D. Ferdinand Magellan. Which famous Viking explorer discovered Greenland? Is it A. Harold Fairhair, B. Rollo, C. Bjorn Ironside, or D. Eric the Red? The correct answer is D. Eric the Red. Which Scandinavian country is famous for its Royal Navy? Is it A. Denmark, B. Finland, C. Iceland, or D. Sweden? The correct answer is D. Sweden. What is the name of the Viking ship type used for exploration? Is it A. Cargo ship, B. Longship, C. Fishing vessel, or D. Battleship? The correct answer is B. Longship. Who led the expedition that reached Vinland? Is it A. Christopher Columbus, B. Ferdinand Magellan, C. Leif Erikson, or D. Marco Polo? The correct answer is C. Leif Erikson. What type of boat was primarily used by Vikings? Is it A. Cog, B. Catboat, C. Byreme, or D. Nar? The correct answer is D. Nar. Who was a famous explorer from Norway? Is it A. Christopher Columbus, B. Ferdinand Magellan, C. Roald Amundsen, or D. Vasco da Gama? The correct answer is C. Roald Amundsen. What was the primary material used in Viking ship construction? Is it A. Wood, B. Metal, C. Leather, or D. Stone? The correct answer is A. Wood. Which city is known as the capital of Viking activity in Norway? Is it A. Oslo, B. Bergen, C. Lillehammer, or D. Tromsø? The correct answer is A. Oslo. Who is known for his journeys across the Arctic seas? Is it A. Roald Amundsen, B. Charles Lindbergh, C. Ernest Shackleton, or D. Fridtjof Nansen? The correct answer is D. Fridtjof Nansen. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.